good YouTube? That boy Cam back with a whole nother banger video on this mug. We got the homeboy in this video. You see, we at the gun range with it. I don't know what type of gun range challenge we gonna do. I gotta think of some sort of challenge. We gotta do like a better song to it, you know what I'm saying?
No problem.
Oh, so you know me, I got that aim, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna set it up. So we gotta get him set up with the paperwork and things of that nature. And then we gonna go in the range. We gonna catch y'all after that though. So I'll catch y'all. We get over there. Yeah. Alright y'all see where we at, you know what I'm saying? We got the target set up. We got 2.9 millimeters, and it's a pistol only range, you know what I'm saying? So 2.9 mils. We just wanna warm up. Okay, we got 3 boxes, so 1 box like a warm-up box, and then we're gonna do 2 other boxes. We each get a box. So yeah, we're gonna set it up real quick. Alright y'all, 5 shots each to warm up, and then we're gonna get into some competition, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna aim top. The right side gonna be mine, left side gonna be yours. So I'm gonna do top or right for the first one. 5 shots. That was kind of bad.
That was terrible, okay?
That'll be alright though. Alright.
Gun is live, let's get it.
Do I shoot with my tip?
What do you mean by that?
Full?
Yeah, come my finger long, so then. Alright, cuz, let's get it. You shot my target.
Nah, I said on the right side.
Oh, you're on right.
Top
I'm
left.
over here?
Yeah.
Target.
I did?
You were like 4 shots in the middle.
My bad.
Alright, what you thinking?
I don't know. I gotta
4 shots in the middle. They alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Man, I look good in the range, man. Hey though, it's pretty smooth though, you know what I'm saying? Once you get back, sure, you know what I'm saying? It's like a normal thing, so we gonna get the aim right, we gonna lock in, and then we competition type. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna try this.
How much does that hold?
19.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, we locked. It feels way better.
Yeah. It looks like it too.
Let's go to.
Yo, you look at that, man. Look at that. God dang. Look at that, yeah.
Is there a safety on this?
Yeah, this right here.
You turned it off or?
It's on right now. It's on. It's right now.
I'm horrible at loading.
Push that one. This one way harder.
Wait, how do you do it?
Push it
This
down.
way? Push it down.
First one, the hardest one. Hey, one thing I tell y'all, make sure to like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? You on the road to 200 subs. You're like 15 away from 200 subs. So if you see the video right now, you gotta like, subscribe. And be part of the fam, you know what I'm saying? You're right with us.
Now we loaded up, not that loading. Let's get it.
it.
That's it?
Yeah.
let's see what. Oh, okay, okay. Look at that grouping. Ah, that's pretty. Yeah, that's a little pyramid. Yeah. Say that. Say that. All right. We're gonna get back with y'all.
This real fast.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
I want a video on my phone after.
You want to do it? All right, y'all. We're gonna get over with y'all. We're done with this box of the startup ammo. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. First challenge we got going on. So we push the target back to. I can't see it here. We push it back to 10 yards. So we gonna take this one. I don't know. I only know the name of it. We gonna take that one right here. Aim down here. See if we can get the closest to the middle. Like I think that's like. And we're gonna do it in groups of 5. So we're gonna take 5 shots, and then do it again. We're gonna do 3 rounds of that. What we gonna see? Who got the better angle? I want to see. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. We'll get everything loaded up.
Cheating.
That's terrible. Yeah, 5. Man. Alright, y'all. That was fun. It's off safety. That was Buns, y'all. I literally missed one. So if you don't miss one, you gonna win this round. So he on the blue side now. Alright, y'all, so he got short of 1 bullet. He only had 9 in here, so we're gonna add 1 more. Get his last shot. But he missed. He missed 1. So we both missed 1. He missed this too. Then I win this round. Yeah, yo. Bottom of the line, he's shaking. Got the bottom of the line.
Can't even get this in. Let me hold it.
Alright, last shot. Oh, you can't see. Alright, let's show the people, Yeah, bring it in. Alright. Oh, that's yeah. Alright, we got a recap. This was the warm-up. Right here. All these. So from here down, this is the new. I missed 1 shot. 2 in the white, then 2 in the orange. Him. 2 in the orange, bottom orange, only 1. I win that one. I win the first group of the 5.
There's 1 though.
There's 1, but I got 2 in the white. All that. Yo, it's pretty much a tie, but we still, pretty much.
Further.
A little back. Alright, y'all, challenge time over. We just gonna shoot. Frick all that. We just gonna shoot, see what happens.
Yeah.
I hope y'all are enjoying the video though. This is a little slight bit, you know what I'm saying? Go to the car range, just having some fun. You know what I'm saying? If y'all enjoyed the video though, make sure to like, subscribe, go to 200.
Left-handed.
How many did I put in there?
Alright y'all, this is the last clip, last time. I think I like 8 bullets up in there. I don't know how much I got, but I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot it.
Last few shots.
Shot go.
Let's do the top. I thought you were using that.
I'm gonna aim on your side. I'm my side a lot.
You gotta try that.
Where you want to
This
shoot?
one? I might do this.
Alright, do this.
We might go somewhere. I don't know. Depends how I feel. So yeah. See if I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna catch y'all later. If this is the last clip, make sure to like, subscribe. Join the family, you know what I'm saying? We're over 200 subs. We almost there, 15 and up. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, next video.